welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 6th grade concept of summarizing numeric data. This is standard 6.12c in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 13 of the 2025 released STAAR test. This is a new item type called drag and drop, and if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have drag and drop, and we can use the same number in both ones if we want to. It's 2 points. We need to make sure that we select one for each, because if not, it will give us that error message saying you have not answered both questions. So let's get both questions correct so we can get both points. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times here, and we have this data set. We need to find the mean and the median. Now, if we look on our reference materials, you're not going to find any definitions. So we need to know before we even come into the STAAR test what these two are. They're close because they're both measures of center. They tell you about the middle point of data set, but they're not the exact same. We calculate them differently. So let's look at the first one, mean. So what is the mean? So mean is, one word definition would be the average. So what you do is you're going to take the sum of the data sets, and then you're going to divide it by the number of data points. So what is our sum? Well, this is one where it's going to be quite a bit of calculation by hand. A calculator would be easier. We don't have one on the 6th grade STAAR test. We should be able to do this by hand. Let's add our data sets. All right, so 15.1, 13.8. We're going to line them up. 14.3. And if students missed this, I think honestly one thing might be they didn't know or they didn't want to do all of this work. It's a lot of adding and a lot of dividing. There's no way to really guess this. You have to just kind of brute force this. That's going to be 10. That's 20. And that's 4. Let's bring that down. So that's 5, 10. That's 26. So I'm just making 10s to make it easier for myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 86.4 is my total. So I need 86.4 divided by 6 because I got 6 different data sets. So a little long division now. 86.4 goes in there once. Bringing down just one number at a time, 4 times. 24. Oh, look at that. It goes in nice. Okay, so we've got a 14.4 is our average. And that's the 86.4, that's the total, divided by how many data sets. And if it didn't go in perfectly, we would just keep adding zeros till we got it. So 14.4, let's grab that. That could also be the median, but it might not be. The median is going to be close because they're both a measure of center. In this case, the median is the middle number. So what we need to do is we need to line them up. So in order from least to greatest, so 12.9. Let's do 13.8. And then I've got 14.3. So we're just ordering them. And then I've got 15.1, 15.1, and then 15.2. Now, the middle number, you basically have to split this in half. If it's an odd number, it's actually going to be a number on there. This is an even number, so if I draw a line right here, I've split my data set in half. That's the lower half. That's the top half. So my middle number is right here. It's between these two. So sometimes it's not even a number in the data set. So we need to average these two. So let's add 14.3, 15.1. That's going to be 4, 9, 2, and then divide by 2 to find that's that middle point. That's going to be 1. That's going to be 4.7, 14.7. And so 14.7 is in the middle, and it's not even on the data set, but that is our median because it's between those two numbers.